Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this beautiful village set that I got on Amazon. Make sure you watch this video to the end. I am going to turn all the lights off so you can see how beautiful this looks when it's dark. So I was doing a little bit of research online, trying to find a cute village set to put right here on this wall close to our main entrance, and I came across this one. So the pictures, I read the description, but I wasn't expecting this little village to look so good in person. I personally think that this looks better than the pictures. I don't know. One thing I'd like to mention is how well they picked this village. So the trees, they came in a separate box, and then the village came in this foam to protect them, and that's why the trees look so good. I didn't have to fluff them or anything like that. They came in a really good condition, which is surprising, especially when, you know, they are shipping stuff. And as you can see, each one of these little houses also came in great condition, nothing broken, which is awesome. One thing I noticed when I got it, and I didn't see it in the pictures, the roof has glitter. Not the whole house, just the roof. And I think this is so cute. It just like adds a little bit more detail. The candles are included, and these are LED candles. They also comes with this little tiny remote, and then you can just turn off and turn on. The quality of the trees are really good. These trees are thick. These are the best fake trees, little trees that I've bought. And I have a few other ones that I got, you know, like at Target, to put around the house, and these are the best looking ones. All right, and here is a look at the village when the lights are off. I love it. I think this looks beautiful, and it looks like high quality as well.